Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar index, we had FOMC yesterday, which caused a pretty nice little push up on the dollar. Now, I've been saying for a while, if this is a wave one, this is a wave two, and a wave three, then it needs to be strong because a wave three needs to be a strong wave. Wave threes can have pullbacks, but they definitely shouldn't turn up at the 100% Fibonacci with a nice engulfing move to the upside and a break of structure like it did. So more than likely, it is not an ABC, 1, 2, 3, but more than likely it is an ABC. So maybe this is going to be like a WXY, like X, and now we're going to get like another three waves up for like a wave Z, which is definitely a very common Elliott Wave pattern. It definitely does happen, and I think that would make a lot of sense. So if that is the case, then this is probably turning into an uptrend. So more than likely, anything we see to the downside, we should consider is very likely going to be just a pullback within the uptrend. Now, if it starts to turn into a very overlapping corrective pattern and goes to a Fibonacci retracement level, especially if it makes like some sort of three waves like this, 1, 2, 3, and then turns at a Fibonacci level, then that is what will tell us that we should go back to shorts. But for now, I would definitely be looking at this move up as a possible reversal, but also keeping an eye on it to see if it is a corrective pattern or not. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.